guys, we're going to cook today, guys. So we're going to make a crock pot Southwest beef chili stew. So we're going to proceed to our ingredients, and first we have a ground beef, onion and minced garlic, diced fire roasted diced tomatoes, and our beans, guys. And of course we have a frozen corn, oregano, cumin, chili powder, and red bell pepper powder, salt, chocolate unsweetened, and of course sugar. So let's go ahead and start. See guys, here's the crock pot, and we're gonna put now the ingredients. So the first ingredients is the ground beef. So let's go put that ahead. So make sure your beef is thawed, guys. So next is the garlic. All ingredients, guys, is combine all ingredients. That's the procedure. Combine all ingredients and then cook for 7 to 8 hours. Cook for 7 to 8 hours. Then after that, it's all done. So next is the beans. Next is corn, frozen corn. And then the oregano, cumin. Sorry guys, I'm gonna add that later. Chili, mix that. Red bell pepper powder, and then unsweetened chocolate, and then salt, last but not the least, the sugar. So I'm gonna mix it, guys. See you in a bit. Guys, here's the crock pot Southwest chili beef stew, guys. After 7 to 8 hours being in the crock pot or slow cooker. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video, and hope you learn how to cook crock pot Southwest chili beef stew. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.